How to create a contact form on Canva. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a contact form on your Canva. So first, go to your Canva's homepage and make sure to log into your account. Once you do that, you can create a new design right here. And once you are on your design, what you want to do is add a heading. So just go to text and add a heading. You can move it around and just make it so that it's on the center of the page. Alright, so once you have done this, what you can do is you need a third-party website from where you can import the template. So the third-party website is this right here. That's called jotforms.com. So once you are on this website, it is completely free. You just have to sign in using your email and you will have access to all of their free templates. Alright, so this is the JotForms homepage, and here you can see different tabs at the top. You just want to go on templates and choose a form template. It will open up all of the form templates, so you can search for whatever you want. I'm just going to search for contact form and click on OK. Now it will show me all of the contact forms that are available. So you can browse around here and choose whichever one you like. For now, if I just scroll down, I'll choose this one right now. So I'm just going to click on use template and it will take me here on the build section. So what this will do is actually you can add or remove elements from this form and customize it. So you can add headings, your full names, and all of these good stuff right here. You can customize it to your liking. And once you're satisfied with your form, what you can do is go on this publish tab at the top, and here you can copy the link of the form. Copy the link and then you can go back to your Canva. Just select the heading and paste the form. So once you paste the form, you can just click on it to open. So it will open up like this on the new tab. Here what you want to do is click on edit link, and instead of link on the display mode, you want to embed the entire form. So it will embed the entire form instead of just showing the link, and it will show up on your page. Even though it looks like this, like it's coming out of the page, it's gonna be alright, because if you just visit the form, it's going to look the same. So it's just gonna look like this on the full page. But another cool trick that you can do is, instead of this making on PowerPoint presentation, you can just create a Word document on Canva, and simply you can paste the link right here. So what this will do is it will automatically embed the entire form on the Word document, and it will fit right into your page. You don't have to do any extra steps. And if you just go to this link, it will directly open up your form. And if you are not happy with this, you can always go back to your build, customize it using all of these features right here. And that's how you can easily add a contact form on Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It would help us out a lot. And also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.